Deborah Valencia. I'm a professional surface designer, and I'm also a surface design teacher in Los Angeles. I also have a special interest in Shibori. I've always loved Japanese aesthetics as far as their design, their crafts, and just everything about Japan is so special. Since 2015, I've been taking small groups of like-minded artists, crafters, designers to Japan to study with this very special teacher, Brian Whitehead. He offers a 10-day textile workshop at his farmhouse in Fujino, which is about an hour and a half outside of Tokyo, in this just absolutely lovely mountain village. We stay in a 180-year-old farmhouse. It's huge, and there's plenty of room to spread out. There's accommodations for up to 12 guests. Everything's included, all the workshop, the lessons, the materials, the accommodation, the food, and it's really very special. Everyone that I've taken on the field trip so far have just absolutely loved it. So I just returned from the 2023 workshop in September, and I have dates to announce for 2024. So we have 3 different options. We have a 10-day Shibori workshop, which will run from April 15th through April 25th, 2024, and we have a few spaces left in that one. We also have the same workshop offered in November. That will be November 11th through the 21st, 2024. And if you visit my website, deborahvalencia.com, and go to the teaching section, you'll find the itinerary in more detail, the cost, the photos from several of the past workshops, and that'll give you a really good idea of what the experience is like. And we're doing Shibori, all different styles. There's over 50 different techniques in Shibori, and so you learn a lot of many of the different techniques. We also go on field trips to fabric markets, to antique markets, to artist studios, museums. It's really, really a lot of fun. And Brian's not only an expert in textiles, he knows a little bit about everything in Japan. He's lived there over 30 years. He's fluent in Japanese, and he knows about all the different crafts, ceramics and kimono making and tea ceremonies and all the traditions and the history. And so he's just a delightful instructor because you get so much more than just textiles. No experience is necessary. We have people of all ages. I've had people from right out of college all the way to people in their 80s who are retired. It's just a whole mix of people that are into quilting, people that are into surface design, people who are just into crafts. It's just really, really hands-on, really fun. All the lessons can be adjusted to your particular level of expertise. And then we have a new option that we're offering, and in September, which will be, it's actually August 31st through September, let me check my notes, August 31st to September 9th, we are going to be doing an art tour. So on this one, we are, Brian and I will be leading a group of 10 to 12 attendees, and we're going to take a bullet train directly from Tokyo to Kyoto, and then we're going to also visit 2 art islands that have modern art, and we're going to be going to artist studios, museums, participating in all different activities such as a woodblock lesson, a Shibori lesson, going to a Zen monastery, a lot of things that are kind of off the beaten track, things that would be difficult for you to do on your own. Since Brian's fluent, he's just a great leader, and he's just very knowledgeable about the history of Japan and getting around and what would be cool to see and what would be great. And so we're going to go to historical shrines and other points of interest. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're lining up really lovely Airbnbs to stay in. That'll be a little less expensive than hotels. And everything will be very planned out. And so this will be a new trip that we're offering. So visit my website again and let me know if you're interested. You can contact me through my website and let me know if you'd like to participate in one of these workshops or even if you just want to be on a list for next year or the following year or the following year. I've been doing this since 2015. I have it very well organized, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you.